Hey everybody, Mac here for OCR Kings, and today we're going to do an unboxing of a medal that I received after Damer and I ran a virtual 5K for Veterans Day, honoring those who served. Will Run for Bling was nice enough to send me my medal in the mail, and I have the package right here. Let's take a look what we have inside. Alright, it's got a nice little weight to it already. Give our little package. Very nice. Let me get our scissors. Wow, that's really, really pretty. It says, honoring those who served. It's got the branches of the military, Army, Marines, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard. It's a spinner type medal. Very cool. It's the part with the United States flag in the middle. And it says on the dog tag, Veterans Day 2015. Ribbon is also very nice. Honoring those who served. Really nice, great cause. Had a good time running the 5K. Obviously, we did it OCR King style. We didn't just go out and run. We had to throw some obstacles in there. Did some training, did a workout, observed the day, and we tried to honor those who served. Here is an idea of the scale with some items you might be familiar with. The medal versus a GoPro. And an iPhone 6, so it's a pretty good size. It's great. Great cause. Highly recommend it. If you'd like more information about this race, check out the description below the video. And as always, subscribe so you can keep up with all the latest racing footage and OCR tips and tricks. I'm Mac for OCR Kings, and as always, train hard, have fun.